G'day guys, hello and welcome back to another Team 2J vlog. And in today's vlog, something a little special's rocked up in the mail, so wait till you see what it is. Okay, so for the last 4 or 5 years, we've been running the R200 out of the R33 to 5-bulb shafts. And, you know, we've had some success, but reliability has been a major issue with us probably breaking about 10 diffs and who knows how many shafts over the years. So after discussing our options with Gary going backwards and forwards, we've finally come to the conclusion that this is probably the best option to, what I'd say, be reliable and competitive. And keep us out on track and give us the most track time. So, mate, all I can say is I really appreciate you supporting my program for pretty much since day dot. And this season they jumped on board to be a major sponsor for 2021. So, with saying that, we have got our very own Winter's Quick Change. Let's check this out. Check out what's in the box, eh? You ready for this? Oh. You know we don't mess around at Team 2J, come on. So, thanks to BSC Performance, Bogger and Joe down there, they've smashed out this subframe mod to get her all fitted up. Looks absolutely amazing, solid as. So this is the big boy, the full 10-inch, 35 spline. She's rated at 1500 horsepower. So now what we've got to do is get her in the car, mount it all up, and do some measurements for the bad boy shafts that are going to match with it. So this has also been done in collab with Super Performance, so thank you very much guys for jumping on board with our 2021 program. I can't wait to see what we can achieve together and see how she goes. So thanks guys, really appreciate it. Alright, so we're just about to see how this is going to fit in. Just done a bit of measuring to see how this bar is going to go, how the height of it's going to go. So we're still going to have to at least modify that much of underneath here. Height wise we might be alright. Oh, I can't really see there, but it's all fabricated slightly different up there. It's all been chopped up already, so she might just slip in that way. But I guess the only way to tell is if we get her in. So let's cut to it. Alright, so here's the diff side by side. As you can see, this one sort of just pokes up. Whereas this one pokes up quite a fair bit compared to the R200. And also, so lengthwise she's fairly longer as well. But now we'll get her in here. So you can see the frame a little bit better that would have welded in here for the fuel cell. There might be a torch. So now you can see the frame we've sort of welded in here for the fuel cell, but it looks like the ridge might clear the metal there. We might just have to shave the wood or go to a different plank or move it down. We'll have a play and see what we come up with. of a torch. It's on the bench right there. Sweet. Alright, so I've already run into this bar, so I'll just mark this out a little bit and we'll trim her down and then we'll get her up again and see what the next thing has to be trimmed. Alright, so here we've got a little cutout for the diff bolts and then the back little half moon. Test 3, let's see if we'll get her in this time. She's in. You ready for this? Now we'll get all the arms back in, get measurements for these drive shafts. I can't stop staring at it. Alright, so she is in. Not a torch, there's a torch. She's in. How good does that look? The height we're sort of looking at, so I've got a bash plate coming for it just in case, but that looks amazing. Just be able to see that poking out the back. We'll end up cutting this flap off because can't have that sitting in the way of that pretty little thing, can we? So we did measurement as well, passenger side. Now, so this is with Driftwork drop knuckles. Passenger side was 546 mil long. What was the passenger driver's side? 550. Yeah, and so the driver's side was 550 long. So, and that's from the actual edge of this flange. So this flange is another 5 mil deeper to where it bolts up. So the edge of that flange I measured from. So 555 if you add that little sunken in bit there, and 551 if you add that little sunken in bit there. So apart from that, guys, that's us done for this one. Hope you liked it, and remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.